Hello, I introduce a new tool or new HDA to generate a recache of the guides. It's very easy to use. In the first part, I have two geometries, different geometries with different um, wireframe. Yeah. So in the first part, I need the original geo, so I can use in this part. When you use a guide room, and normally or in before versions, you you could use recache in this part. Like for example, this in guide room 1.0, you have a button of recache, but in the new guide room 2.0, you don't have this. So I, in my case, I really like these new tools for. So I prefer this, but I have a problem with the recache because obviously if you change your geometry or change every wherever, yeah, you can generate a recache, so you lost your work with this clear. So I create a recache node. So you need to connect in this part, and this is for the my cache intern guides of my guide room, and this is for the guides or normal guides. So so clear. Yeah, now you can modify your guides like this, for example. um, ding, 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 ding. Yeah, sculpt. Yeah, for example, if you use Claire, you lose your work, but with this node you have another Claire. Yeah, but no, in this case you can use recache. So the problem with this recache is that now you control the guides just with this node, like this, for example. But what is problem in this part? Yeah, you need to generate a recache, and already you have the cache or your intern cache of guide room into this node. So, for example, 500 recache. Now, in this part, you don't see the change because you need to use a clear. But if you see, you don't have or you don't lost your work. So it's very, very interesting. School. Yep, nice. Recache. That's it. And for example, okay, no problem. For example, if you change the in this part the density, you can use influence radio to fix some parts of your guides. Yeah, recache and clear. Then recache. Now, wonderful. So what happens if you change your geometry? This part is very interesting. In this case, for example, when you move your guides, now you generate a new cache, intern cache in guide room. So when you change the geometry, like this, for example, and put in this part, you lost the roots in some areas, but when this, you can create a recache, and this fix this part. But Now, where the problem is, obviously, the geometry change, so your routes or your guides change too. But you can, in this part, use the intersect like this, and that's it. You fix your model. It's very interesting because if you like more these new tools, it's better use that's it. It's better use this tool or this reCache node. reCache, nice. And if you move your guide, if you just use a reCache and if you don't touch this part, when you change your geometry, like for example, before geometry, in this area, in this part, automatically your, oh no, reCache, okay, clear. Yeah, automatically the guides put in the surface. That's it. Thank you.